Search engine optimization is an essential part of any online marketing campaign. If you're trying to make money with your website, you should definitely take SEO into account. The reason is simple. The more traffic you get to your site, the more sales you will generate. The good news is that there are many ways to get started in this field. You can start by reading books and articles about SEO. You can also attend seminars and conferences on the topic. Or, you can hire a professional SEO specialist. However, before you do any of these things, you need to understand the basics of SEO. What is search engine optimization? The basic concept of SEO is to improve the ranking of your website on search engines. For example, if you want to rank high for the keyword golf clubs, you need to write content that will be relevant to this keyword. You can do this by including information about golf clubs in your content. You can also include keywords within your content that are related to golf clubs. You can also use other methods to increase the number of visitors to your site. These methods include writing articles that are related to your site and submitting them to article directories. You can also submit your site to directories that contain links to other sites. This way, you will get traffic from people who are looking for the information that you provide on your site. How can I start? If you are just starting out in SEO, it may be difficult to decide how to get started. One option is to hire a professional SEO specialist. However, this may be too expensive, especially in the beginning. Another option is to attend a seminar or conference on the subject. This will help you learn the basics of SEO. It will also help you decide which techniques you will use to optimize your site. A third option is to read books and articles on the subject. You can find books and articles on the internet. Just type in the keywords SEO or search engine optimization into Google. You will find several articles that discuss SEO. You can also find many articles on the subject at easyarticles.com. Conclusion. In summary, SEO is one of the most important aspects of online marketing. To make money online, you need to know how to optimize your site. There are many resources available to help you learn SEO. If you want to learn SEO, you should first read books and articles on the topic. Then, you should attend a seminar or conference on SEO. Finally, you should read books and articles on the internet. If you want a free 9-part video course on how to become a search engine optimization specialist, click the link or button below or around this video. Question? Comments? Thoughts? Let me know below.